Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove all followers on Threads app. And here's how it is done. If you're looking to clean up your Threads profile by removing followers, here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Access your profile. Open the Threads app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located in the lower right corner to navigate to your profile page. View your followers. On your profile page, look for the follower count displayed in the upper left corner. Tap on the follower count to see a list of everyone currently following you. Remove followers. Browse through the list of followers. Next to each follower's name, you will see a remove button. Tap the button to remove that individual. The app will confirm your action, but rest assured, the person you remove will not receive any notification. Important notes: no remove all feature. Unlike some social media platforms, Threads does not provide a bulk remove feature. Each follower must be removed manually. Effortless process. While the manual process can take some time, it is straightforward and doesn't involve complicated steps. Additional tips: privacy considerations. Removing a follower doesn't block them. They can still view your public post unless you change your profile settings. Managing future followers. Adjust your privacy settings to review follow requests before approving them. That is everything you need to know about how to remove all followers on Threads app. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.